In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert XLSX to CSV. If you have an Excel file and need to turn it into a CSV file, the good news is that the process is very simple. A CSV file is a plain text format that works well for sharing data between different apps, databases, and online tools. The easiest way to do this is directly in Microsoft Excel, and that's where we'll start. First, open your .xlsx file in Excel. Make sure the worksheet you want to convert is the one currently active and visible on your screen. This part matters because CSV files can only save one worksheet at a time. If your workbook contains multiple sheets, only the active sheet will be converted, so double-check that you're on the correct one before moving on. Next, click File, then choose Save As. After that, select the location where you want to save the new file. You can save it in the same folder as the original workbook or choose a different location if that helps you stay organized. Once you're in the Save As window, look for the Save As Type drop-down menu. Here, select CSV, delimited, if you're working with standard text and numbers. If your file includes special characters, accented letters, or symbols from different languages, choose CSV UTF-8, delimited instead. That option helps preserve those characters correctly, which can prevent formatting or encoding issues later. After choosing the correct file type, click Save. Excel may show you a warning saying that only the current sheet will be saved. If you see that message, click OK. This is normal and simply confirms that the CSV format does not support multiple worksheets in one file. And that's it. Your XLSX file has now been converted into a CSV file. If you want an even simpler website-based method, there's also an online option. Go to the Excel to CSV conversion page on excelcompare.org, upload your XLSX file, wait for the automatic conversion to finish, and then download the CSV file. This can be useful if you need a quick solution and don't want to open Excel. One important thing to remember, no matter which method you use, is that CSV files only save one worksheet at a time. So if your original Excel workbook has multiple sheets, you'll need to convert each sheet separately by making it active before saving. That's the full process for converting XLSX to CSV quickly and correctly.